Okay, back at it again with another video. In this video, we're gonna create a TV show. So let's just get to it. I already have what I want. So I put create 10 TV show titles about money, drugs, guns, and living a fast life. So let's just go with it. So we're gonna create a TV show using ChatGPT AI, and this script is gonna be free. So let's just get to it. King Cash King and Drug Laws. Ooh, that sounds good. Cash Bulletproof Investments, Narcotics and Investigation. Nah. Dirty Money, Dangerous Deals. Nah. We're not going with that one. Let's go with this one. Create. I'm gonna say no. We're gonna go with 15. Let's try 15 TV show episodes about Cash Kings and Drug Laws. Let's put a quotation here. You don't have to put this. I'm just doing it, but just separate it. Say, oh, okay, look, it's already creating that the TV show episodes, the plot, blood money, the art of the deal, family business. Ooh, family business might be good. So if you're a screenwriter, you can use ChatGPT and create a TV show, the titles. See, it created 10 titles for me. And as you can see, I put create 15 TV show episodes about cash kings and drug lords. And as you can see, in a matter of seconds, it created the whole TV show. So let's go with the plot. Let's put right. I'm gonna put copy. Right, cash kings and drug. Drug lord episode, TV show episode. Well, I should put the plot, or just put plot. I'm gonna put plot. Let's just see. Right, Cash Kings, Drug Lord, TV show. Oh, my bad. Episode. The plot. Let's just go with it. Come on. So everything is new. So let's just see what's going on. Okay, it's as you can see, it already started writing the plot. A matter of seconds. This program is very powerful for any director, screenwriters, TV show writers, movie writers. Doesn't matter. Small playwriters. Okay. Say you don't like this script it spit out for you that ChatGPT wrote for you. You can always go here and say regenerate. And if you want to go to the bottom, just click the arrow. So I didn't like the first one. Now it's generating the second one, as you can see, in a matter of seconds. But you don't keep the script the same. You always change it. Make it into your own script. Don't keep it the same. So let's just see. Let's see.
The episode opens in a dark, seedy alley where members of rival drug gangs are exchanging money and drugs. Suddenly, the deal goes wrong, and a gunfight erupts. In the chaos, we see a figure emerge unscathed from the mayhem, and we soon learn that he is the leader of the Cash Kings, the most powerful drug gang in the city. We then meet the other members of the Cash Kings, Tony, the second in command, who handles most of the day-to-day operations, Mia, the brains behind the operation who handles the financial side of things, and Julio, the muscle, who is always ready for a fight. The Cash King's business is thriving, and they control a vast network of drug dealers, runners, and distributors. But they are also under constant threat from other gangs and law enforcement, and they know they must always be on their guard. As the episode progresses, we see the Cash Kings navigate the dangerous world of drug dealing. They meet with their cartel partners to discuss a new shipment of drugs, negotiate with rival gangs to avoid all-out war, and even bribe a corrupt police officer to turn a blind eye to their activities. But despite their wealth and power, the Cash Kings are always looking for ways to expand their operation and take down their enemies. And as the episode draws to a close, we see them planning their next move, ready to take on anyone who dares to challenge their reign. The pilot episode of Cash Kings and Drug Lords sets the stage for a thrilling, high-stakes drama, with a cast of characters who will stop at nothing to protect their empire.
Mm. Now, as you can see, it's a plot to take over the city. It's about drugs. It's about violence. It's about just straight mayhem. You know, like a thriller action type TV show. So that's good. I like that. Let's go with this one. So let's just see. Where's that? Blood money. Let's create the second episode. Right. This show. TV show episode. Oh, so about my bad. Blood money. You can put it in quotations if you want to, but I don't think you have to. Let's just try it without it. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, it's right in the second episode, and it's going with the first one about the Cash King gang. Ooh, a new shipment of drugs arrives to the city. I like that. The um the TV show. It sounds good. So just say, like I said last time, just say you don't like this episode. I'm like, nah, I'm not going with this one. But let's see.
The episode opens with the Cash Kings receiving a tip-off about a new drug shipment arriving in the city. They set up a plan to intercept the shipment and take control of the drugs, which they know will bring in a lot of money. Things seem to be going smoothly at first, but suddenly, the situation takes a turn for the worse. One of the other gangs involved in the deal double-crosses the Cash Kings, and a shootout breaks out. Several members of the gang are killed, and the drugs are taken by the other gang. The Cash Kings are left with nothing but blood on their hands and a big financial loss. Tony, furious about the situation, takes it upon himself to track down the gang responsible for the double cross and get the drugs back. As Tony delves deeper into the seedy underworld of the city, he discovers that the gang responsible for the theft is much bigger and more powerful than they initially thought. He also learns that there may be a mole within the Cash Kings organization, who tipped off the other gang about the deal. Tony decides to take matters into his own hands and sets up a plan to infiltrate the other gang's headquarters and get the drugs back. With the help of Mia and Julio, he successfully manages to retrieve the drugs and eliminate the rival gang's leadership.
Mm.
However, as they celebrate their victory, the Cash Kings realize that they cannot let their guard down. They know that the other gangs will not take their defeat lightly, and they will have to be even more careful in the future to protect their profits and their lives. The episode ends with the Cash Kings counting their recovered drug money, knowing that they've won this battle but that the war is far from over.
Well, as you can see in this episode, Cash King wasn't having it. The main man named Tony, he said, I'm going to give our money and drugs back. So, with that being said, you could use ChatGPT to create your new TV show, old TV show, revamp a old TV show, and add new episodes with ChatGPT. This is very powerful for any screenwriter and TV show directors. With that being said, check out ChatGPT and write your next episode. I'm out.